60 years of independent. Gold, everything here. Europe is Europe because of Africa.
Okay.
Because all the resources, we have it here. Ghana, then here. Near the Suti Hanomo, Emma, Amam Fogusu Bra, Ibrimum Ponyaka and Franco Hospital. Uncle. Politicians, we need to talk about it. Because projects are there, they will not continue. No matter what affordable houses. That's what Gumudo be seen there. Then to us, yeah, go cast me go on. The reason to a crack cast in the by nego, they be having cast as a way. Cast and be go on. Now say, now for your channel option, now for no be at all. Whereby, if even the car that was brought, the purpose of it, want to achieve, can't you take it to another place to do another?
10 years is anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be I'm a change here floor, and I'm about too much GH. Shit, na prophet kumichacha me so me share.
Mao akoba biom ever too much. Jumedi air hot issues. Na anopa we yemi hot issues de mao. Yera Mahmoud Baumia. Abe kan se bebre. O say nyame aduna se MPP aban enya tumi biemu a ombesi airport e wo Cape Coast. Ensem we di ensem piaba. Na what issues e wonim say ensem we di ka no ene e kan wa ha. Ye ntra no ma broni mfini kuro mu e be kire ha wa man ye de to no nemom no nyame adom ye mpenifo ne nimdifo e wo Ghana ha ya a asembia si a ye beto safro mu no ma omodi nyansa kasa ni nyanse futuo ni nyame asem bete kire ha wo se ye no man ne tumi tumpon anopa we minsa ka Apostle Peter Ajeman so penia order Graceland Family Chapel nende e be twenkomo e jabeto wasan de bia meka no for Mao akoba biom eba too much. Jumedia wo hwe eye hot issues. Anope bia me de bro. Se won subscribe ya ye nsisi ya na ka kire ki obi so ono so fa ni video no ento anu fi say ye de sempa ena ebrem. Apostle.
Yeah.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Ibi o le go fresh.
Me that's it. I don't know.
Radiasi. Na mjini say bia go kodi. And say, oh, my hot issue so that.
Me so that. But I me follow YouTube.
Okay. Papa, now, and then, Ura, a friend, president of Imani Africa, Kofi Bento. Or the Sabbath, you know, in some our can say, manifesto MPP before we the year, Dr. Baumia, say, some we need power, Ombesi Airport, Cape Coast, no more answer another. Habo ewo hono mo ena owura Kofi Bento be kan say sa idea ne de bad idea na osudua say e was a bindi kan ye kwan na wa ye railways and say na wa dream so koye airport na e kwan a ye de branch be fa so brother be fa so sa kwan ne ye accident esi wo Accra ni Cape Coast kwan so won result say su ni wie ba we make another big promise. But we now cast a promise I would away a crown on your grave year. Was I making another big promise? Apostle, I said, we won't say.
Jamaica was very so some is a question where we will be okay. In a sense, it's a Ghana Hanomono. I never quite want to say your politics here time. So we can't say a politics here time. Now, we can't accusation say, almost your constructive politics.
Okay.
Are in the area of criticism. And your destructive politics.
Okay.
Now, you're Ghana Hanomono, your politics here are destructive ones. Now, the entire American cabinet, me a software, and mostly, no, you're not Ghana has a baby in now you're software now become here. Now, you do what? But, and no interest in me. In a sense, I mean, software, you meet me, the voters ID card. Semi Kotuaba. ID card near the Mayan, young farmer, I say, if I could be soft. Yet the Mayan say, young fan to Abba. Inti ID card na ma me ye on mind ba se Ghana ni. Inti nyama asofodie na ma me ye Ghana ni.
And yes sir.
Inti me gidi se bibi koso on mind mu a se me ye sofo ni metima ka bi. Se me nkodi lie so. Ahomache enkotwen ma enuru mi so ma me nkoto aba. Na afi se on mind no bibi nkoye na mbeka de asma me nka. Na me kokromoti de wo pe. Na me numa asam de omre. Ebi ekoyi a ye na ye wo se ye ka enkoyi susu a ye na wo se ye ka. Eja de me kan se na se ne no wiem se se ya asofo mpo na ma Ghana nkoso. Asofo na ema kususum na ma Ghana nkoso. Na me de bia me ka se me ne ye politicians nya adwene. Se me trans na me hwema Ghana se be koso se nkoso over 60 years of independence. Se Ghana be drum pempenso se ne nkoso a ye mu say politicians. Promise and fail.
Promise and fail.
It's too much. They be a promise. Yes, you have been said even during NDC time. I'm promising them be brave. I'm intimi and I'm the coin. Now they are asking saying some another opportunity. And people swap. Almost some promises be brave. The old say any the opinion you can know. Quite be so many yards. And then you are
a bad idea.
That idea so okoye airport. Airport no nya car na ye de faso, ye de plane e de beko. Yeah. Ye musa ye ho say, ya kwan ya ye no. Ya koduru say. Obeko ba bi village bi even hospital say na obi ko hospital akowo. Eba TV so kra na omo ka ho yi. Ba bi a omo hye kwa ya enye nti no e wo se ye de oba pemfo na onyem no esi moto so no mo dey free the village eba main road na moto no sa de free ho no mo de ne call sa village which from that main road ne come be a hospital no one it will take them about an hour before they get there. So unfortunate for them so munya obi a no use car or the transport or mo de call but at the end of the day no ma me call we never we
because of
bad roads.
Bad road no.
Baby on what free village, what they do main road motor so or bar waka no. And he said, young father said, play the Nipado do send before.
Yeah, Nipado do send before.
A man for you so road to no more than play on a enemy. And he said, if ya crying ya accident will be the whole grana, we will not see it. Internet say opinion can me in the yard totally. Say I was say a buy no shema a coin no a ye and son I didn't see you see airport. More so promise they be the one man government in for feeling we. And you say some promises no ye on say it will be having project on year we start a project one we no jaw no call we so ba on to us.
And no crap a big issue no man per se discuss it. But answer na ye be call a whole mono. Kofi Bentil case na all reason somewhere no one say airport no be boa ma Ghana eni be bie more we never say Ghana eni bia say Ghana ye open up more.
One thing say Ghana ABA ama international.
Yeah.
But over inside no because say airport no be airport wa. The people within the inside no from the local side no and the more mind develop. Na etimi ama international because onye ofie ye a ere na akwa ye the Emma international exposure obi be free international member na ye bia se ni pare di plane be si a on fa form enti se me di plane be si wie na afa mi ko fa form a na form basa at the end of the day no e constantly e say obi a ofura brochire ba na oti plane mu akwala ne ma me akọwo na brochire na oti plane mu na ni age say or Bani Kruma be Ghana. Look at the standard of my race. I could do. Now through airport, plane and land we all see plane or free plane must see from. O be through get now so on see. I didn't hear the place is too dark. The place is too dark also on see for. So, and you know we need to locally know any feature coin. No money ade ade no ni nkurase akwan a eduane free hoba na enioma efiri hoba no e wo se sa akwan ni nyina no yetimi ye na because you must this year a year of roads road de bebre hon ma yenya omugu so na corona yebebo ibi Miami area kura de yenya nwie ya shase yenya nwie
yeah
egudru ba bi ye jai
me kai peki guy be frame free peki ne o try video send me of a kwan futuru pa
nti sasi kam yebetimi de ayesa kwan no na oman ni mu no nti then after we now build international standard no be ba owura Ghana no ho say no be si airport fefefe no owura krono basa enkoyi
ba na bi so ka say o ko ke pa ye wo traffic e bia wo duru Bujumbura ona traffic o tanka at least airport ni ba ebe boy reduce traffic no e ebe ma say ye di goods free approach so ba Ghana so no ebe easier
and no ho but point in say ni part do say be fa play that is the point ni part do say na be fa play no e di akọ one more use kwan no ka kwan no doso e che momenti no say e kwan no traffic is here ada na kwan no entry kwan ni mu asase wo ho why entry mu say na be ya e be avoid those traffic no na ma kwan no mu etimi ada ho when you see ye die hia ansa na ye de fata entimi me hu ne say akwan no ehia mo ase ye no a na no na fe no o dwene ewie mu a na fe o dwene ewie mu na onye kwan no ma traffic no reduce na Kumasi kwan ye ka say ye Kumasi airport ni ade still plane eko Kumasi ni ade anye bia how many people never plane the Kumasi
ne boss ye dey
most of the people use the road more up to date ground o kwa of ankono ni ade say ho ma ye pokua senem ko na traffic wo no
but I was a reason can say Kofi Benton here NDC ni it any progress be about ya no more fighting progress no but usually with regards to the way they can does it mean say a totally bad and I say a for political reasoning intinema MP for this had any better job because one can't deal with from the beginning of the year it do election time also quiet airport their mom
now say Ghana Hanam no your politicians are not your politician they can all the parties when it comes to election that is where they come out with promises bebre edipa NDC NPP just because at times you know the thing say Ghanaians have a short memory into no me the no be can say be ya me the benya vote it is there you want to maybe on my political talk not realities a political talk into no and I'm also the way politics are going I say the party that comes into power no everything is for him into a man no so be opposition party no can say me nyansa o mukra na edwin say political reasons so we don't sit down to look into the matter to consider as man the party can nyansa o man nyansa ni based on all the other side only ma fent in the obeka bia no nyansa ni near thrown off no but edru bia nsem wo no ma obi opposition party the all can say the ruling party no betima tenase am say no let us look into this matter very well o consider betima well but ye mfa da say be go the enkoko that is the attitude that your politics are going through nti ama ye bibia no entimi nkoso
but abozo ni die mo we uhwe MPP for Jumedi omodi have they disappointed Ghanaians with regards to Bosha Hodo omode buy no any omo etumi aye no Osha disappointment and now say part na yade because omo nyade and almost day another big promise ever and there's something else
kakra me kan say bibi o amaye ni nyina fine omo the promises be pray and ba share Ghana for yebeye we and it depends on the duration of the mind to do those achievements. So if those promises was within 4 years, and the man said within 4 years we will finish this achievement, and I said these promises are, and up to now 4 years no munya enuridia, then from there now I can say what disappointed because for instance my culture said within 2 years may I deal with the amount.
Yeah.
No man yeah. na say that 2 years no so ma anya ma fail it depends on the duration na omo de to omo promises ne so ɔnti no so hwɛ nneɛma bi a omo de agu akwan mu ne ade a they have done their part but omo nya wie they have a lot to do.
And you suggest say and come finish it, you can no.
Finish it.
And some of the different thing.
Yes, that is good. Because already some of the promises are still in the pipeline. Some are in the process. So you finish with what, because for instance, I'm telling you, now mama me bed. Okay. Now kwala ni ni no asa tam na duane me chance ya ba say me hear more. Me ma no.
Base bia no do se so wakofa appetite to him say
na appetite do ni ya na asa bele enti no de mo aka no monye you are on it doing it monye me hu say afa no now what you have said and you have done it because some of the promises are still in there ebinimo no good if they are able to do it it will help the nation Ghana enti me hu say they should concentrate much on the previous promises. Now you want to say those things are rare. Fine, more ye be one district need those say more see by there are some places be the whole no so let's finish with it.
But finish with it. Comments be the here now. Or say the way MP before no, or say the way they talk, that's how they see us. They see us as stupid people. So they talk big. It when it's anybody by again say MP for the dream say Ghana for a damn intino or with my nice big things nice actual no more can Ghana for the they will believe.
Politicians that is politicians. I don't they read your mindset and a group of or say or mind yini a group pepen so be we don't just sit down to listen to talks. So be then we fall into it. Now, you know, at the end of the day, it's about time I was say, "On my no money, panotinase." As a senior man answer, but through politics, yeah. In your trumpet and one of in your trumpet, when say, look at how people are eager making promises. At the end of the day, no, a trumpet and one of
with me, with regards to the course of men, as you said, they are going to win. Because 4 years ago, election, who wanted to do crew, and no can particularly say voter registration because it is like say they are going to win power. And if they are going to win power, if you go now with their mom and some will win power now.
Yeah, it is like.
But we need your take on this.
It is like.
It's like,
yeah. Because I say, everybody be out here political history, no. And will be over politics. We say politics in the party be about so automatically me 8 years, no. With me effort so with me achieve because everybody sees at least work for 4 years. Yes, I'm another 4 years now on final. So from that angle, our political history, no, then someone can say it's like they will win. And more so 1 or 2 things are maybe a month for BB to say 3 years HS, no money at the other amount for. But one thing is they make to my catch them before they say they should not relax. If they believe they are going to win, they should not sit down and think the iron and no. Now no voters who you
and they're true.
Voting. Who do you grow? The way on you above for you would think because you want to say someone for you don't know. There are some people that they don't even don't know you. They have heard about you, but they come there to watch you. And the dominant abanon chere say why we near you. Da ye got to abandon here. And to know if they want to win and so be in power, then they should not relax and think oh, people are on amount for camp for 3 SHS, quite, say, and people no. They should not look at it just
do you want to can mean insinuate say Edis will be to me really?
A bit more impossible.
Wow, okay.
A bit more impossible. Because in this life, everything is possible.
Sure.
It depends on how wobetumi akasa how a wobɛyɛ wo nneɔma ɛne how a wobɛsi atoto wo nneɔma afa ebetumi ayɛ possible for instance some years ago why na tena ase so daeɛ sɛ nkobi betumi atu Chairman Rawlings nobody thought but all of a sudden yehu yɛn na si na aba nti no and even look at the US Donald Trump ta ɔmo hyɛ ase ɔmo to aba na ɛkɔ no obi yɛn sɛ ɔba na wi ni nobody thought say adeɛ bɛkye ama Donald Trump adi anim nti anything can happen so they should not sit down and say oh yaye way and be boasting about it and only talking about those things but they should let things be real for Ghanaians to come to know say the more Ghana is on the ground it should not be say more by a corner adini ho for instance yaye way ebe corner adini ho no eba no sa now you are deceiving the public because this time no assembly a what can be asawa ye bia people follow and that is what I want Ghanaians to understand say me and my politicians me tell me two futu we ye ni and they can say yaye way wa ha now if nobody follows to find out say asema nipa yi kan e true and say true me giri say those time NDC eko omu green book amanfo di e kire bi say omanye bi sa na me pese Ghana 40 ase the MPP for so can say yaye way wa here Ghanaians should follow you follow ni and find out say the oman cannot say they say ya modernizing their core digital system until betimi search from the net and find out we should not say that we should follow up to know say the omo can run as so that nobody will deceive us Ghana ya catch over 60 years of independent gold everything here Europe is Europe because of Africa because all the resources we have it here Ghana dey any me da so te hanomo ema amanfo guso bra ebinim mpo nya kan fan hospital enko politicians we need to talk about it because projects are there they will not continue no matter what say gumudo affordable houses da so gumudo besine ye to aso ye guho cast me guho no ma the reason to crack cast in by nego they be make cast asem we cast me guho no ma na say na for your channel option na fofofo no be atom whereby if even the car that was brought the purpose of it want to achieve can't you take it to another place to do another thing a crabby as a police station police program car hospital car and so cast in Ghana say me a ton of fofofo or man is can say the Africans need to wake up we need to think
Apostle made us say
this what I said
ebusafo aha na ebrɛ ma ekwan de yejumede nesi Apostle me din komo yi ode Peter Ajiman a order Graceland Family Chapel na ene yan komudi di ye no airport a MP4 air plan say nyame adom no modi nkunimu a ombesi wo kikus e won community we hot issues that's ene mbesa no we share se won subscribe ya ye na catch will be say ono so wonye na video we share na mo bia ansa enkebi